How do I get the day of week given a date? I want to find out the following. Given a date, datetime object, what is the corresponding day of the week? For instance, Sunday is the first day, Monday, second day, and so on. And then if the input is something like today's date. Example. The output is maybe 6, since it's Friday.
Use weekday. From the documentation, return the day of the week as an integer, where Monday is 0 and Sunday is 6.
If you'd like to have the date in English,
If you'd like to have the date in English, read more, this URL.
Use date.weekday when Monday is 0 and Sunday is 6. Or date.isoweekday when Monday is 1 and Sunday is 7.
E se o antes de temore, breve considera-se escrevendo.